Hi Dress-It Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a baby chick to celebrate Easter. So let's get started. To draw this baby chicken, let's first start by drawing a big curve for the top of the head. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just basically aiming to draw my basic, my usual dumpling shaped heads. So nice big curve at the top. And pretty even. Now I'm going to bring it down. And I'm going to get wider as we come down to the cheek area. And keep coming down, nice and round, but right here I'll start to bring it in. And about right there. Go ahead and bring it in. And I won't connect this head at the bottom, it'll just be open. So I'll just bring it in about right here and stop for now. And same thing over here. So pretty even. Now we have this big head in. Then let's come back up here and bring this little chick to life. So right in the center area, a little bit towards the bottom, a little bit more. I'm going to come right here in the center and draw a big curve. So this is the beak that I'm drawing. So nice big curve right in the center. I'm going to round off the corners and then connect it at the center. A little bit sharper and then go up. So I got the beak in, then I'm going to come to the sides and draw the eyes. So come right next to about in this area and draw a big circle. And same thing on the other side. So about right here. There. So I have two big circles in. Then I'm just going to add a highlight right here and shade everything else in. And same thing over here. Now that the eye's in, let's come above each eye. I'm just going to draw a soft curve right over each eye. So about right here. Oh, so cute, right? Okay, so then from there, let's draw the body. And I'm going to simplify it right underneath the eye, about right here and here. We're just going to draw this little body, so come out with a curve. We're going to start to round it off. And about right there, I'll bring it in. And connect at the bottom with a very shallow curve. Right at the bottom. There. So then let's come to the bottom right here. We're just going to draw the feet. So I'm just going to pop them up right here, totally simplifying it. Just we're going to pop out a little curve. Then just tuck it in. So same thing over here. Some little feet right there. And then from there, let's draw the wings, right? So about right here, I'm going to go ahead, bring out curve, and in. It's a little bit wider, because we want to kind of make it look like wings, right? So a little bit wider. Just thicken this up. So that's pretty much it if you wanted to just draw your basic baby chick. But today I wanted to make it extra special and celebrate Easter by adding some bunny ears on this chick. So let's come up here and we're just going to draw a little band on top. So let's say start about right here. Just going to taper it over. And I'm going to come right across. It's easier for my hand to come down, so I'm just going to go this way. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect with a big curve at the top to draw this headband right here on our baby chick. So if you just wanted to make it a regular baby chick, you could just add some feathers up here if you wanted. But ears are much better, right? So let's come up here, and I'm going to find my center and then say about right here and right here. I'll give myself 2 points, and I'm going to bring up these big bunny ears. It's a nice big curve about right there. I'll bring it in, curve it down, and just a little bit thinner as we come to the bottom. Fix my curve here. There, got one in, and then I'll come in here and draw the inside. Now to draw the other ear, the same thing. So I'm just gonna come out. Maybe flop this one a little bit more if you want. And about right there, bring it in and back. And once again, same thing, just draw the inside, just follow the outside, and in. There, so we got our baby chick that's a bunny now. And let's spruce it up right here with some grass, of course. And before I finish that part, let's come to the side right here. I'm just going to draw a part of an eggshell. So I'll come about right here and draw this big curve to the bottom of our egg. You want to end at the same level right here. So I'm just drawing this nice big curve. Just come back in here and smooth it out. Okay, so I have this big curve, and I'm just going to bring in some zigzags about right here. There, now we have our egg. And then I'm going to decorate it with some polka dots, perhaps. It's all up to you. I really hope this drawing inspires you. And other than that, now let's add our clovers or our dandelions, of course, right? And maybe one more right here. And last but not least, of course, I'm going to add a heart right here in the center. So I'm just going to give myself 2 points and draw a big heart right here for my baby chick. So they're all done. I really hope this drawing brings a smile to your day and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.